Are you tired of the chaos when multiple people work on the same Excel file? Version control nightmares, lost data, and endless back-and-forth emails can cripple your productivity. Let's fix that. In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to collaborate effectively on a shared Excel workbook. The simple and right way. First, make sure that you have OneDrive installed on your system. Next, save your file to OneDrive. To do this, open your Excel file. Click on the Save As icon. Next, select OneDrive as the save location. Choose the folder where you want to share the workbook. Here, I'll create a new folder and save the file there. Let's name the new folder as Shared Folder. Click Create. Then click Save. That's it. We've saved the file in OneDrive. This makes sure your workbook is stored safely in the cloud and ready for real-time collaboration. Next, click the Share button in the top right corner of Excel. Click on Invite People. Type in the email address of the person you want to collaborate with, separated by commas if you want to add more than one. Type in your message. This is optional. You can also set permissions. Choose whether others can edit or only view the file. Check the Can Edit option to allow editing. Once done, click Share. Now, everyone you've shared the file with can open it and work together in real time. Let's see how it works. On the top right corner of the workbook, you'll see the initials of the people who are currently editing or have access to edit this workbook. You'll also see their names or initials in small colored boxes showing who's editing which cell. All updates appear instantly, and Excel automatically saves every change, keeping your data up to date and consistent. Let's explore how to track changes. To track changes, click on the Review tab. Then select Show Changes. You'll see who made what edits and when, keeping your teamwork transparent and organized. Now let's explore how real-time message works in this collaborative environment. If you need to discuss something directly inside your sheet, click on Comment, then click on New. A messaging window will open. Type your message and click Send. They'll get a notification and can reply right inside the sheet. No need for long email chains. That's it. Your Excel workbook is now a true collaboration hub. Simple, secure, and always in sync with your team. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more quick and smart Excel tutorials.